Hey everyone, in this video I want to talk about the spares that you'll want to be holding on to at your house or in your workshop during this post-COVID/COVID time. Obviously bike parts are super hard to get hold of at the moment, so it pays to be prepared. Here are the top 5 or 6 things I carry just to keep myself sorted, making sure that my Epic is going strong and ready to run every time I need it. Alright, item number 1. Item number 1 is a chain, and sort of 1.1 is a 12-speed chain link. So obviously my Epic runs 12-speed. This is the XTR 12-speed chain, so the hollow link. It's what I could get, so I'm holding on to one just so if my chain fails or needs to be replaced, I've got one on hand and I don't have to rely on a shop to get one for me. Item number 2. Item number 2 is a derailleur hanger. So the Epic uses one of the SRAM UDH derailleur hangers. Obviously this is a reasonably standard part across bikes, as SRAM are trying to make this as a bit of a standard, if you like. I still like to carry one, just in case mine gets destroyed, bent, broken, and I haven't got access to a shop, or a shop hasn't got access to one as well. Item number 3, brake pads. So a little while ago these were in super short supply, so I managed to grab 2 pairs. Obviously you've got both ends of your bike that you need to keep operating. So I've got these sat here just in case I need them, just in case there's another shortage, or I find that at the trailhead they're a little bit past it. Hopefully you followed the video that I've done, which is how to pre-check your bike before a ride, and it doesn't get to the point where you're doing this at the trailhead. So yeah, I've got these on hand just in case. Number 4, following on from number 3, brake rotors. If you get contaminated rotors or brake pads, or your braking system just isn't performing, these are awesome to have on hand. I've got these, a 180 and a 160. Make sure you've got the ones that apply to your bike, and you should be away laughing. Number 5. Number 5 is a cassette. So as you can see, this is a 12-speed Dior Cassette. My Epic runs an SLX cassette, and right at the time of filming I can't get one. So I went for the next best option, which was the Dior Cassette. Still 12-speed, still got a 51 tooth on the rear. It'll get me through just in case I can't get exactly what I need when I need it. Final item number 6, gear cable. So I've got 2 inner gear cables. These serve to crispen up your shifting and work your dropper seat post if you have a mechanical seat post. I always keep a couple of these on hand in my workshop just to keep my bike going smoothly. On occasion you might turn up to a bike shop, they might be short on it, or they might not have it, or you just you find that you need to do it in the weekends when the shops aren't open. You've got yourself covered and away you go. Hopefully you found those 6 items super helpful to have on hand for your bike, just to make sure it keeps going during this lockdown period, no matter where you are in the world. We're super lucky here in New Zealand where we're reasonably open, but the supply of stuff is still horrendous at the minute. So I keep a stash of stuff just to keep my bike going, because I know exactly how hard it is out there to get the stock. You're hearing of 400 plus days of lead time for some equipment, and you may as well be prepared. So if you found this helpful, drop a like, drop a comment, and if you want to look at some more videos, subscribe and follow along. I'm Dave, that bike guy. We'll see you on the next one.